Let's review some care and safety tips to make using your Emeril Pasta Beyond safe, easy, and convenient. Make sure you always set your unit up on an even level surface. Never put your Emeril Pasta Beyond unit on a stovetop. Always plug the power cord into a dedicated outlet that is only used for your Emeril Pasta Beyond. Make sure you have removed all packing materials, stickers, and labels before using your Emeril Pasta Beyond. Read the owner's manual and all materials, warning stickers, and labels. An easy way to clean all the parts and accessories is to put them right in the dishwasher on the top shelf. They are dishwasher safe, or wash them with warm soapy water. Before disassembling any configuration, make sure the unit is unplugged. It is recommended you go from front to back. If you follow these care and safety tips, using your Emeril Pasta Beyond will be fun, safe, easy, and delicious. For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.